them. We knew how the condition of the road was. Even the flyover, the Secretariat Junction flyover, right to Barraman Jama, the road was started. What we are saying is that some of the roads we did them new. Some we made them and they were all going and we completed. Intervention of the rescue administration.
This is the remodeling of the primary school. You can see the old building right there, and this is.
Many of them were not realistic. And even the processes are very important. You know, some years back, so much.
This is the General Hospital in Riom.
The main admin blocks in there's nobody among them. They are staying in your house. Your house selling down what I said put in too much now.
If you have gone round and the level of work is appreciable. Some of the structures about 95% completion is going to be equipped, and so there's nothing that we would say. We call on the community to rally around this government so that they can get more. We have been around Riom. You saw the interventions of projects that have direct bearing on the lives of the people. This is beyond politics. It's because His Excellency has